Hi children, welcome to video class, third class mathematics. Third class mathematics. In this class, we are discussing page number 82, 83 and 84. I will explain and I will give some examples. Then later you will have an exercise, that means home task. So you have to listen carefully because you have to complete your home task. If you do not listen carefully, you will not understand. That's why listen carefully and understand well, then complete home task. Okay, so it is a very easy method. If you listen, you can fill it very easily. So in this class, let us discuss first one, successor and predecessor of a given number. If any number, one number, if it is given, for that given number, you can write successor and predecessor. What is successor and what is predecessor, and how to write for a given number, these two we will discuss in this class. And next one, ascending and descending order of 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers, how we can write in ascending order and a descending order. Maybe you know 3-digit numbers, ascending order and descending order. So here we will discuss 4-digit numbers. And third one, counting by tens. 4-digit numbers, how we can count by tens. And counting by hundreds, counting by thousands. So these are all we will discuss in this class. First one, successor and predecessor. Successor and predecessor. Before that, what is successor? You know, success. When you will get success? When you work hard. Today if you work hard, tomorrow you will be taste the success. Tomorrow you will get success. That means success always comes after. Success always comes after. So here in mathematics, success is nothing but the number which comes after a given number. For example, we have one number is given. After that number, which number comes? That number is successor. So predecessor is nothing but the number before. So given number, we have a given, one number is given before. What is the number comes? That is predecessor. So let me explain here. For example, we have a number 92. We have given 92. So what is the successor and predecessor for this given number? Successor is comes after the number. Predecessor comes before the number. So that means here successor, this is successor, and here predecessor. That means before. Success after. So what is after 92? 92 after 93. That is the successor of 92. What is the predecessor of 92? Before 92, it is 91. Before 92, the number is 91. So, for a given number 92, 91 is the predecessor, 93 is the successor. Okay, successor and predecessor. If you understand this, for any number, you can write easily successor and predecessor. For example, here 2-digit number we have discussed. Let us see 3-digit numbers. Okay, I will write 3-digit number 398. What is the successor and predecessor? Okay, successor comes after, predecessor comes before. 398. 398 after 390 9. That is the successor. Here, successor. And what is the predecessor? 397. That means the number before. Okay, for the given number. 397 is the predecessor. What is this number? Predecessor. So like that, 4-digit number also we can write. 4-digit number. For example, 470. Okay, 404,000. For example, 4,735. Write predecessor and successor. Okay, so 4,000 is common, 700 is common, 30, okay, 30 also common, and 5 after 6, that much only. This is the successor. Okay, successor. And one number we have to decrease and write here, 4,734. This is the predecessor. Okay, predecessor, one number is less than the given number. Successor, one number is greater than the given number. That much only. It's very easy. You can write for any number, predecessor and successor. So for that, for exercise, for your understanding, so in page number 84, Roman, 6th Roman, successors, and 7th Roman, predecessors. So of each given number you have to write successor and predecessor, 6th Roman and 7th Roman. Okay, so now we have completed this first one, successor and predecessor of a given number we have completed. So any number you can take and write successor and predecessor. Now let us see next one, ascending and descending order of 4-digit numbers. Ascending and descending order of 4-digit numbers. Before that, what is ascending order? What is descending order? Ascending order is nothing but if you write numbers from small number to big number. Small number to big number. That means we have to start from small numbers. Then we'll reach big numbers. Okay, small number to big numbers. It is ascending order. Ascending. Then descending. What is descending? Descending order is nothing but first we will write big number to small number. Big to small, descending order. Small to big, ascending order. So for anything, any digit number, this is the processor. But here we are discussing 4-digit numbers only. Let us take only 4-digit numbers and we can arrange ascending order and descending order. For example, 4-digit numbers, I will write some numbers here, then afterwards we can arrange. 4,785 and 4,890, 4,798, and one more number we can write here, 4,789, 5,780. So observe the given numbers, then we can write ascending order first, then afterwards we can write descending order. So while observing these numbers, we should know place values. What is place values? Counting numbers. For example, take this number From right to left, we have to give places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. First, we have to check whether all the numbers have 4 digits or not. So here, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All numbers have 4 digits. So how to find out which is big number? First we have to check the highest place. Highest place is the, in 4 digit numbers, the last one, thousands place. The fourth digit is thousands place. That means we have to check thousands place for all the given numbers. Here what is the digit in thousands place? 4. Here also in thousands place 4. Here also 4. Here also 4. Here what is the number? 5. That means here 5 thousands. The remaining all are 4 thousands only. So this is the big number. And which is the small number? We should write small to big. Ascending order means first ascending order we are writing. Ascending order. So small numbers when you write, so this is a big number we decided, this is the big number, and here if you observe all the numbers have same in thousands place, then go for next number. Okay, here 7 is there, here 8 is there, so leave this one. Here also 7 is there, here also 7 is there. This one no need because it is a big number. So here hundreds place also same, hundreds place 7, hundreds place 7, 100 place 7, thousands place, hundreds place, both are equal. And we have to compare the next number. Tens place, here 8, here 9, here also 9. So these two are big. So one more, here also 8. Okay, so if you compare these two numbers, thousands place equal, hundreds place equal, tens place equal, then what is the next place? Ones place. Here 5 ones are there, here 9 ones are there. 5 ones is smaller than 9 ones. So which is the smallest number? This is the smallest number. Okay, so first we will write this number 4785. Then after 5, after this one 7. Okay, 9 is there. So this one is the second number, 4789 is the second number. That means this is a little big than this. Okay, bigger than this number. And next one we have to, after this number, which is the bigger number, we have to find out. So tens place, here both are 8, these two over, then go for the remaining 3 numbers. If you check thousands place, both are here 4, here also 4. This is 5, keep it side. And here 8, this is a 7. So we can take this number as the third biggest number, 4798. Okay, and next one, so of course we know this is the biggest number, then the fourth number is this 4890, and next number is 5780. So this is the ascending order of these given numbers. So descending order, how to write descending order? After writing ascending order, descending order is very easy because already we have written ascending order. Then big to small. Write first one big number 5780. Then after this big 4890. Then next one 4798. Then next one 4789. Then last 4785. So like that ascending and descending order we can write. Okay, so maybe I think you understood. One more example let us write. Now let us take another example. So now first we will write descending order, then we can write ascending order. So here first of all we have to count whether all the numbers have 4 digits or not. So 4 numbers are there, 4 digits, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, here also 4 4 4, all the numbers have 4 digits. So all the numbers have 4 digits. First of all we have to find out thousands place. 7 7 7 7, this is 8. So this is the biggest number. Descending order is nothing but big to small. Descending order. So in descending order, first we will write a big number. So what is the big number? 8527. So this is completed. Again we have 4 numbers. In these 4 numbers, which is biggest number we have to find out. So thousands place, all the numbers have same digit 7. So we have to go for next digit. Here 4 9 2 2. So in this 4 9 2 2, which is the big number? 9 is the big number. Okay, in a hundreds place we are checking. Here 4, here 9, here 2, here also 2. So this is the next biggest number, 7914. Okay, comma. Next we have 3 numbers again. Hundreds place we will find out. Here 4, here 2 2. So that means this is the third biggest number, 7452. Now we have only 2 numbers. So here 7, here also 7 in thousands place. Hundreds place, here 2, here also 2. Both are equal. Then go for tens place. Here 5 is there, here also 5 is there. That means tens place also equal. Then compare the ones place. Here 4, here 8. So this is the big. 8 is bigger than 4. So the fourth number is 7258, comma. Then you can write the last number 7254. This is descending order, big to small. So if you want to write the ascending order, you know, ascending order, just reverse these numbers. First one 7254, next 7258, next 7452, next 7914, next 8527. This is the ascending order. This is the descending order. Okay, so like that you have so many numbers, so many, not only 4 are there. So you can write 4, these 4 sets of numbers in a Ascending order, already one is I have given one, and in descending order also you have 4 sets of numbers in fifth Roman. Fourth Roman ascending order, fifth Roman descending order. You have to complete that fourth Roman and fifth Roman. And sixth Roman, seventh Roman also you have to complete this is successor and predecessor. So now we have completed this ascending order and a descending order of 4-digit numbers. Next one, counting by tens, counting by hundreds, counting by thousands, very easy. So let us check once. Some examples let us take. First one, counting by tens. Let us take counting by tens. 4-digit numbers we have to take, and we have to count tens only. We have to increase tens. For example, observe these numbers. 3945, 3955. How much increased? Here 45, 55. That means 10 increased. 10 increased. Then if you increase the 10, 110 we have to increase. 3955, 3965. And you can increase one more 10, 3975. So if you observe the place values here, thousands place same, okay, 3 3 3 3. Hundreds place same, 9 9 9 9. Tens place 4 5 6 7. That means 110 increasing. That's why we counting by tens. We are increasing 110. One's place is same, 5 5 5 5. Only tens place is changing, increasing. That is counting by tens. So like that any numbers you can increase by tens. So here some numbers is given. For example, 5162. 5162. Next number 5172. Then afterwards he asked to write the other 4 numbers. Write 4 numbers. Okay, you have to write 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so 5162. Next one 5172. So if you observe thousands number, thousands place 5 is there, hundreds place 1 is there, only tens increasing. Let us write 5107 after 80. Okay, 82. Next one 5192. Okay, now 9 after 10 will come. 9 after 10 will come. That means so 1 10. Okay, 1 goes to hundreds place. Hundreds place will change. Now 5202. 5202. How it came? 92 plus 10. 92 plus 10, 102. That is why we have to add 100 place. Okay, 100 place 1 is increased, and 10's place it becomes 0. 2 is common. And next one we have to increase one more 10. 5200. 0 after 1. Okay, 2. 0 to plus 10, that means 12. 2 plus 10, 12. So like that you can write the remaining, just increasing 10 and complete the remaining 2 in Roman 8th Roman. Okay, 8th Roman. Next, counting by hundreds, write 4 numbers. That is 8th Roman. After that 9th Roman. That is 9th Roman. 9th Roman, counting by hundreds. Let us check this also. Counting by hundreds. It's very easy only. Okay, for example, I will take one number here, 6504. So we have to write the remaining 4 more numbers after this 4 more numbers by increasing 100. That means thousands place should be same. The hundreds place have to increase. Okay, so thousands place the same, 6000. We have to increase hundreds place 5 after 6. The remaining should be same. Okay, increasing only hundreds place. Next one, 6704. Okay, we have increased one more, 6 after 7, like that. Next, 6804. Okay, so we have increased one more 100. In the hundreds place we have increased 1. And next one, 6904. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Enough. Finished. Okay, so like that hundreds place we can increase. That is counting by hundreds. Next one, counting by thousands. Counting by thousands. So how it is this? Okay, counting by thousands. So it's very easy only, counting by thousands. That means we have to increase thousands place, like that. For example, I will take one number, 3415. 3415. The first number I have taken from 10th Roman, page number 84. So we have to increase thousands place. Here 3. Next we have to increase 1000. We have to increase, that means 3 after 4. 4415. Okay. The remaining digits should be same. Next we have to increase 4 after 5. 5415. Okay, next one, 6415. 7415. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers completed. So like that you can write counting by thousands, counting by hundreds, counting by tens. So like that any number, not only 3415, any number it is given. If you ask to increase thousands, then increase 1000's place only we have to increase. Okay, I think you have understood this. So in page number 84 and 83, 4th Roman onwards, 4th Roman to 10th Roman, you have to complete this. And if you have any doubts, please message me, then clarify your doubts and fill that exercise and send me through the WhatsApp. Take a pic and send to me. Thank you. We will meet again in the next class. Bye bye.